Hello everybody, in this video I'm showing you how to change the Kali Linux default lock screen background image. I don't like the image, it just does it's just not what I like. So I'm trying to change it. How do I change it? All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to the location of that image. And to do so, you need to first open up the like file explorer of Kali Linux, I guess is how I would explain it. But you want to open up your files as root. And the way you do that is you can just open your folder, click here, go to your computer, go here, and then, so I clicked on file system, right? And then here you see the root folder. It has an X next to it. So you can't access it unless you right click it. And let me just go and scroll up a little bit here. If you right click it, and let me just extend the screen, you'll see down here it says open as root. So if you click that, it's going to prompt you to enter your credentials. You enter your credentials. Once you enter your credentials, then what you're going to do is you're going to go to this file location. This is the user, share, desktop base, Kali theme, login. So you click your way into this file location. I'll just go ahead and copy it and put it in a notepad. So you could also paste it in if you want to. But this is the location here. And then once you put in that location, you'll see a background SVG. Leave that alone. Then you'll see a background image, and it'll be this original like default image that I don't like. But if obviously you're trying to change that, what you would do is you would delete the image that says background, not the one that says SVG, just the one that says background, right? And then you would replace it with whatever image you want to use. Now, when you're replacing that image, what I'd suggest that you do is just go on the internet, right? Let's say you go on the internet, you're like, man, this looks like a really cool image, but either one, it costs money to download, or two, it's a real hassle because when you try to download it, it tries to save it as a WebP, which is a like Linux, which is like a Chrome image, and it's a Chromium image. We don't want it to save as a Chromium image because then it won't load properly. So we need some type of snipping tool. So what are we going to do? We're going to be using Screenshot. So Screenshot comes with Linux. You just click here, go to, for me it's recent, but it's Screenshot. If you don't have it, you can download it too. Then select a region. Okay, it's kind of like the snipping tool of Linux. And then you select your image, just like that. And then it's asking me where I want to save it. And I'm like, okay, yeah, cool. I want to save it on my desktop, obviously. And name it background. Background. And leave PNG in there, right? Just so you can save it to your desktop. So I'm gonna save it on my desktop. Click that, and then you need to click. I need to move this a little bit. Bear with me. It's really annoying. All right, and I'm gonna click save. And then here you can see it's on my desktop. So move this over here. See, this is the image right here. Ugh, just went in that folder. Dang. All right. Well, anyways, it's right here. It's on my desktop. So what you do is just grab it, bring it over here. All right. So you bring it over here, and here you can see I have image. Then what you're going to do is you're going to rename it, and this time delete the PNG, the .png, and save it as background. And when you do that, you'll see it here. I'm just going to delete this because I don't need this. Yeah, background PG. All right, and then you can see it here. So now it's in my backgrounds folder. So now whenever I log in, that's the image that's going to be displayed. And let me go ahead and just expand this out. So if I go here and I go to lock it, because I want to lock it, it will load, and then ta-da, there's your image. Looks cool, better than the default image. I feel cool. If you look cool, you're doing something right, right? So what else? Like, how do I change the background in the case that, I just want to change my actual wallpaper? How do I change my actual wallpaper? Well, to do that, you would go to your menu and you would go to Light DMGT. This is the program, and you just put in your credentials, So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in mine right quick. And then this will come up, right? And so here you can see this background right here. So if you click on that, look, it takes you to the background image we have for the lock screen, right? So that's the one that we have for the lock screen. My default image, that one's like didn't load properly. It's really weird. I'm at the user image. I'm at to change that, but or actually, I think they make it super easy to the point where you can just right click in and make it your background. Let me check. So this is an image right here. This is a WebP file, so let's go ahead and just exit this. Right click on this, and you can set it as your wallpaper, see? Right there. So if I set this as my wallpaper, it'll be my wallpaper for when I log in, but I don't want to do that. So I showed you how to set your lock screen background, how to set your wallpaper. If you want to, you could set it this and make it your wallpaper as well. All right, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Danny.